Okay, guys, watch this. You see this? This is a watch on a wallet, and it's only gotten when you import an address on your Trust wallet or any other wallet that supports it. This address could be random address or could be your own address. How do you convert this into a real wallet where you can send and receive money? Now, if this watch on a wallet belongs to you, you created it, you have the seed phrase, maybe you stored it offline, all you need to do is to click here. Now, when you click there, you click on add new wallet, that you already have a wallet. Now, you click on multi-coin wallet. Now, when you click multi-coin wallet, the next thing is you paste the seed phrase or type out the seed phrase accordingly, and then the wallet will come on this way. You could see right now that I could literally send, I could literally receive money into this wallet. But if this wallet, if you import your seed phrase and then you figured out that the address of this wallet, this watch on a wallet, isn't the same with the one with the wallet you imported, with the seed phrase you imported, then my friend, you don't have the seed phrase to that wallet. You should either get it or just know that you can't open it. So if you go to the blockchain, let's say BSC blockchain for instance, and copy the random address, you could actually import this into watch on a wallet and you're able to view transaction. And with this now, with this method, we are able to track wallet, we are able to track transaction and then copy trade on a wallet, on a successful wallet. Like on Solana, you could actually do this on Phantom wallet, and you're able to copy trade. If the wallet buys a coin, you copy the coin contract address and you buy it too. So that is some of the use of watch on a wallet. So all those people copying watch on a wallet and sending to you, telling you could open them and you could have them to yourself, the money, all the money to yourself, the money that you didn't save anywhere or you didn't keep anywhere. You just know that you're just setting yourself up for a lot of heartbreak as a result of that. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and then watch the next video.